Hello, it's Paul. I'm going to just do a quick video for Abdullah. Can we change the currency of the deal? Um, in the free version, you can't. I've just been looking at it. Let me go to my free version. You can you can change the location of your currency. So you could, in theory, change it to dollars if it's not. But there's no option to add other currencies. So when you go to deals, create a deal, what happens on the paid version, you have a currency tab. So see how we've got a dollar sign here. If you want to change the currency, go back to company details, location of currency, United Kingdom, I believe that will change it to pounds. So now we've got a pound sign, right? So that's how you change the currency of your business. That's not giving you multi-currency though. So if I log out of here and show you in my test, I don't think it's set up yet though. Let me try and remember my login. In the enterprise level, so I'm not sure if you set this up on the free trial of Zoho and then you change it before the trial runs out. When I go to company details in the enterprise, I've got currencies up here, right? So what I've done is set the home currency, and then to have multi-currencies, I would add United States, USA maybe, US dollar. It's telling me a format. Well, I have to do exchange rate, so I would have to go here, xe.com, GBP to the dollar, and it is 1.31433. So back here I would put 1.314133. Doesn't really matter if I got that bit wrong. GBP to euro, 1.16292. So I add a currency, the euro. What's it going to be? Euro. Why didn't I show what I typed then? I can't remember what I said. 1.16292. 1.16292. Right, so now when I go to deals in the enterprise level, see now I get currency. So I could change it. I should be able to change it. I have to edit it, do I? Currency, pick list, put it in euros, changes up there. Put it in US dollars, changes, and it automatically changes the exchange rate, doesn't it? So that's how you do it. But sadly, you will need a paid version of. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at which version. Zoho CRM pricing. So that I've just done it in the enterprise level one, which is part of Zoho One. Zoho pricing is free. Where does multi-currencies show up there? Email. Subform, doesn't really say, does it? Canvas. Includes all three. Currencies, I don't know if I spelled that right. Yeah, so it's not showing me multi-user customer. It's not showing me which version the multi-currency is appeared on. So sorry, I don't know the answer to when it will be working. But yeah, you need to get that tab in that settings, in your settings, in your company details, to say currencies. At some point you have to pay to be able to do it, and look, you can do only 10 currencies will work. But I hope that helps. If you've paid for Zoho, then it will. If you haven't, I'm afraid it won't. Cheers.